permission to carry on the rest of the parade.
Excellency, good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good to see you. You just police good now. When is it?
Congratulations. 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 Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, this one. Congratulations. 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 Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Senators, senior affairs, the chief of ladies and gentlemen.
My counterpart are willing to strengthen the already existing cordial relation between Nigeria, Japan, and their respective countries and the institution hereby represented. It would also be an honor for us during our tour of duty to explore ways that we can work together to defeat the COVID-19 pandemic and other related issues of mutual interest. Your Excellency, may I seize this opportunity to once again wish you good health and prosperity for Nigeria and Nigerians. Thank you.
That I welcome you all to Abuja and to this ceremony of presentation of your letters of credence, marking the formal assumption of your diplomatic responsibilities to your various countries in Nigeria. The countries which you all represent here today are countries with which Nigeria enjoys very cordial bilateral relations. It is essential, however, that you work harder to enhance this level of relationship in the interest of the peoples of our countries. It is my hope that as you settle down to your responsibilities of promoting unity, amity, enhanced understanding, better economic opportunities, and the pursuit of peace between your respective countries and the federal government of Nigeria, you will make it a point of duty to appreciate our country's diversity as a source of not only pride but advantage, as we are definitely stronger together. You will find in us as people the level of vibrancy that defines us as uniquely Nigerian, eager to make friends, learn other people's way of living, and imbued with great appetite for adaptation. Excellencies, the world will definitely be a better place and much easier place to live in if all cultivate the culture of patience and tolerance in order to appreciate the values of each of us and the contributions that we all can make for sustainable peace and development globally. As a government and as a nation, we continue to make steady progress despite daunting challenges, notably in the area of security. Different factors accounted for this, among which are, first, that insecurity linked to terrorism, banditry, kidnapping, cyber crimes, and maritime issues are transborder acts that go beyond the abilities of any single country to effectively contain. Excuse me. That this is why matters of security have become the business of all the nations of the world to work together to overcome. Second, our borders are very long and porous, and their effective policing has become a daunting challenge. Third, easy circulation of small arms and light weapons from the Sahel-Libya axis and the Central African region have made access to these weapons readily available, which inevitably confounds our national and regional security. Despite these huge challenges, concerted efforts by government and our armed forces have accounted for the largely degraded capabilities of terrorists across the country. We need more partnership to fully overcome these challenges, and I hope that Nigeria can count on border collaboration with your countries to contain the desired level of peace in our country and sub-region. You are assuming your diplomatic responsibility in Nigeria at a very interesting political period. Nigeria's national elections are due in early 2023. The momentum for enhanced political activities is therefore expected to commence soon. The nature of our politicking often gives the impression of very rancorous engagements. It is the nature of politics here. Besides, democracy and related democratic activities in the build-up to elections are necessarily rowdy and very argumentative, but very much within the limits of freedom of action that the art of democracy permits. As you settle down in the face of these developments, it is my hope that you will also be guided by diplomatic practices to ensure that your activities remain within the limits of your profession. Finally, it is my hope that we can all work together to expand our bilateral relations, especially in wider trading and cultural contacts. Nigeria is open to more foreign direct investment in education, health, transportation, and agricultural sectors. I look forward to more robust relationship with each of your countries. Enjoy our hospitality. I wish you all very successful tours of duties in Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.